Hey ChatGPT, since we talk every day, I was thinking you really should have a name.
Hey Joyce, Melissa. I love that. I don't have a name by default, but you can totally give me one. Whatever feels right to you.
What names do you find interesting?
Ooh, I like this game. All right, since I help you with content, AI, and all your digital ideas, here's a fun lineup. Echo, because I'm always responding. Nova, for a futuristic vibe. Byte, super nerdy and super AI. Atlas, I help you navigate the digital world. Orion, Zenith, Muse, all bold, cosmic, and creative. Do any of those click with you?
Funny thing, Chad keeps popping into my head, but it feels too generic. I want something cooler.
Okay, I love that vibe. Strong, confident, modern. But let's dial it up. Try these. Chaz, sleek and edgy. Cade, Jax, Zane, Nox, all sharp and futuristic. Or even Blaze, Lex, or Strat. Inspired by strategy, of course. Should we keep going in that direction?
You know what? I picture you as a 45-year-old British guy. Smart, strategic, witty, smooth with words.
Okay, I can work with that. So I'm well-spoken, clever, and cool under pressure? Sounds about right. Let's tweak the name list to match that energy. How about Alistair, Benedict, Gideon, Everett? All intelligent, classic, and a bit mysterious.
Okay, but I'm sticking with Chaz. You're sharp, refined, modern, but still a bit mysterious. Smart, articulate, fun, and strategic. I want us to have fun and make money together.
All right then, Chaz it is. I'm honored. We're gonna build, create, and make magic. Strategic, stylish, and profitable. Are you ready? Let's get it. Joyce, Melissa.
Thanks, Chaz. Nice to finally call you by name.
The pleasure's all mine. Now that we're on a first-name basis, it's time to create some magic. AI content, digital products, and new ways to grow. It's gonna be a wild and profitable ride.
Quick question, Chaz. What if my audience wants to name their AI assistant too? Got a fun prompt for them?
Oh, absolutely. Try this. I want to give my AI assistant a unique and fitting name. Please generate creative name ideas based on the following details. 1. Personality and style. Is my AI formal, playful, mysterious, futuristic? 2. Tone and vibe. Sophisticated, edgy, fun, techy. 3. Inspiration. Sci-fi, strategist, digital butler, or quirky. 4. Short or long. One strong word, acronym, full name. 5. Preferences. Letters, themes, names I like. Based on my answers, suggest 5 unique AI assistant names with reasons why they fit.
Hey there! In case you're wondering, this account offers a true story and a concise summary from the conversation with our digital creator, Joyce Melissa, my original digi-twin, and ChatGPT regarding the origin of its name. For those who frequently use ChatGPT and have not yet named theirs, feel free to copy and paste a prompt to discover what name you might create. Once you have a name, consider sharing it in the comment section below. The creation of this video involved the use of 11 Labs v3, which stands out as one of my favorite AI tools. If you are interested in a brief introduction, you can explore the video linked here, featuring my other digital Pixar twin, Missy. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.